Yeah, these finna be some gypsy locks, alright. These Johns finna look old. I just did these braids. These Johns look old as hell. Like, they look like I had them in my hair for about 2 weeks. Catfish? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm. If you don't already know, before we get into this video, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also click that notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload. And I mean me and my bean. Guys, so today I'm going to be trying crochets for the first time. I'm sorry if I'm squinting, like my ring light is like right on the side of me and she giving me a hard time, so I'm sorry if I'm giving you light skin vibes. But yeah, today I'm going to be doing crochets for the first time. For the first time by myself. I've only had them one time in my life. And this is a style. I want to keep doing protective styles on my hair because if you guys don't already know, I had like this whole hair fiasco. All my hair fell out and now it's growing back, and if you guys don't already know, my hair gets thicker before it gets longer. So just gonna be doing protective styles for a while. So I opted in for gypsy locks. I've already tried these before. I'm gonna enter the picture somewhere if you hear me catfishing y'all. But these are the locks that I'm gonna be using. Hopefully you guys can see this. And they're 20 inches. I think these are freetress, yes. And these are the gypsy locks, you guys. Gypsy. And I have 2 packs of these. They're kind of like doubled. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're kind of like doubled, so it's like 4 packs in one. I've already had 2 packs before when I got my hair done professionally, so yeah. We're just gonna hop right into this video. The first thing that I'm gonna be doing is oiling my scalp, and I'm gonna be using the Sulfur 8. Y'all already know this is my stuff. Oh, my braiding pattern is straight to the back, y'all. Believe it or not, I just did these braids. These Johns look old as hell. Like, they look like I had them in my hair for about 2 weeks, but that's because I can't braid. No shame. Nobody gonna see these crunchy braids anyways. And I left my sides out. It didn't look like a braid anyway, so even if I didn't leave my sides out, it wasn't gonna look like I didn't leave them out, but whatever, y'all get what I'm saying. Gonna go on top of that with my main choice. Oh, and to give it like that like bohemian kind of vibe, you are going to need the freetress, like the go-go curl. And I got 1 pack of this because when they start getting old and rusty, I'm just gonna cut them out, refresh them with this, and yeah, stuff will look brand new. This is my second time trying to do crochet, and y'all, I struggled. Let me see how this, I hate color. So low-key, I'm gonna start right here, and I think oh Jesus. Okay, so I think they closed it, put it in. What the fuck? Okay, it's stuck. Okay, maybe I got it. And then put this on there. I had to watch a video before I tried to attempt to do this again. Lock it, and then pulled it through. Oh snap, I did it. Wow, that's crazy. Oh my gosh, I did it. It's lit, period. This might take a minute though. Alright, so after that we're done with like one side. I'm learning the whole spacing thing, so they're kind of looking like this, but I'm putting in like the 2-finger space just to like save hair, because if I run out I'm barbecue, like I'm screwed. Yeah, these finna be some gypsy locks, alright. These joints finna look old. Like, hopefully my braid pattern, not even the pattern, like my braids don't give me a hard time. I don't think so. Let us pray. Lord, these So at this point, I only have 2 left, and then I have like that other whole pack, and I'm kind of spacing it out really far, which is something I should have did in the back. So I may go in the back and take a few out to put them at the top if I don't have enough hair. All right, so we're on just like we're on the last little pack. I don't know why I got scissors, I didn't need them. And yeah, like I said, if it's filling, it better fill up. Prayers to me. Gypsy locks are chunkier than your normal locks that most people get, so I can get away with, I mean I get a lot of wiggle room with this, with these. So we're about to see. So right now I'm just gonna go in and like kind of unravel them. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, just to like make them chunkier. And it can seem fuller, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna do this to just a few of them. And I don't want my camera to die, so I will be right back.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.